Today we're going to install a vinyl floor. Now this is a helpful hint. It's probably not good to get it wet, but I'm not going to use any glue because I'm going to change this often. But lay your vinyl out, get it nice and hot, and it'll be much easier to work with. Now I mopped out the inside of the camper. It's all nice and clean. It's going to be tricky getting around all these corners, in and out. It's going to be fun. I'll do my best to show you how, or at least how I do it. I don't know if this is a how-to, but this is how Handyman Mark does it. Alright, more to come. Alright, we'll do our best not to wrinkle it. At least wrinkle it as little as possible. I'm going to try to cut it about an inch long. Inch or two. I've carefully folded it, and hopefully I'm in about the center. So this edge here should make it all the way to that wall. That edge there hopefully will make it all the way to that wall. So here we go. Let's start cutting. Alright, so first relief cut. We're gonna do something like that. That end will tuck into there. I know it's hard to see, but under the bed is done. Working my way out. I'll trim this edge. Gonna make the turn into the bathroom. I just use a nice straight edge. Here's a trick I learned from wallpaper. Do not take your knife off your piece. And they're still going to be trimmed down this bottom edge here. Alright. Starting to lay flat. Go. Starting to get some nice flooring. And we'll repeat that all the way around. Alright, floor's in. Now I'm cutting some trim pieces. That'll hold the floor down. And I'm going to use screws, so if I want to change the floor, I can unscrew my trim. Make that happen. Alright. Just going to drill pilot holes. That way the wood doesn't split. There you go. We'll repeat that process all the way around. Alright, I lost the footage of my outro, so I just want to thank Adventure Van Man for donating the floor. And this is an easy project. I still have a lot more work to do on the inside. As you can see, I still have to do bathroom walls. Alright, this is my grandson. Alright, so thanks for watching, everybody. Sorry about the outro. And God bless. Good night. Thank you for the likes, comments. And, you know, feel free to push the dislike button, too. And let me know when I'm doing wrong. So, thank you. Bye-bye.